Kamgar, the C is for Clark, A is for Anthony, which is my initial, M Melita, which is my daughter, and GAR is Gar, Field.
Most of us know Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee by the cup. Garfield Clark saw something more, not just coffee, but possibility.
So what we do is use Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee, transform it into value-added products like our coffee sweet and spicy gourmet jelly, coffee gourmet syrup, coffee jackass corn, coffee breadfruit punch, coffee rum cream, stuff like those. Something innovative, because that's the way the world going now. They're looking for innovative products.
Every successful product has a first attempt, and sometimes a second, and a third. Garfield knows that journey well.
I always refer to it as a very long pregnancy, because I got pregnant with the idea in 2018, but never put it in action until about the end of 2019. And I went to Jakarta, and they were saying that I can build a brand without having a farm. And I said, well, that sounds like a very good idea. But there was a lot of disaster down the road waiting for me, because 2020, that's when COVID came in.
Starting a business is one thing, getting the recipe right, that's another.
So what I came up with first was a coffee, sweet and spicy gourmet jelly. Tried it in my kitchen several times, didn't work out. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. And I would every now and then give it to friends and family, ask them how it tastes, and them say, no man, this wicked man.
Eventually, June 2023 rolled around and it was time to let the public decide.
That's the first time I actually get the product out to the public. And since then, you know, I've been getting a lot of calls, going on a couple shows, and then from there, so then I got nominated for Observer Food Award 2024. I got right up in the Observer that same year, 2024, about 3 times.
Recognition was encouraging, but Garfield's vision reaches far beyond awards.
So I'm really proud to be a part of this whole agro-processing thing. And Jamaica is known for its Blue Mountain coffee. So I want to also position Jamaica where it can be known as a country for agro-processing products, you know, like Kamgar.
Building a business takes determination, but no entrepreneur succeeds alone.
So I can tell you that I'm a part of the government family, which is SRC, JBDC, JAMPRO, Ministry of Agriculture. They help me out a lot as well. And MIC, Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce. So where visibility is concerned, they know about me because I try to seek help from them where that is concerned. And that's the best way to go.
With a growing brand comes even a bigger dream.
I want to take innovative agro-processing products to the 4 corners of the world, if it's possible. I know it's a journey, it's a process. But that's my vision, to take it to them. You understand? Just like how the reggae music, the Bob Marley, the track and field, the Usain Bolt, I want to make Kamgar, you know, where agro-processing is concerned, take it to the world. That's what I want. That's my dream.
And if you think that's the end of the story, Garfield says there's more to come.
There's some very, very unique and some very unique, innovative products are coming ahead. Products that is not on the market.
And for any aspiring or budding entrepreneur, Garfield's suggestion is to seek counsel.
you need to act upon all those good advice that you get from irrespective of the government agents and so forth. I'm very happy. Why? Because I did not operate under the radar. I got my thing registered and decided to work with the relevant companies, the government companies, our institution, and seek help.
Sometimes a legacy begins with a single idea. For Kamgar Farm, that idea continues to grow one innovative product at a time.